Hi everyone, this is Lisa Hager. I thought I'd make a short video so that other folks could see how I'm using Teams for office hours in case it's of help to you in these difficult times. So first of all, you want to go ahead and download the Teams application. You can use Teams via a web browser like Chrome or Safari, but it has a lot more capabilities if you actually download the application. So all I did here was Google download Teams. Super easy. Click on it, and you will have the option to download it to your computer and also to your mobile device. I like having it on my phone because students have been sending me text questions and I can quickly reply back using my phone without giving them my mobile number, which I really appreciate. Okay, so once you've downloaded Teams and opened it, it will look like this. Hold on. I will now show you Teams. So here is Teams. These are all the teams that I am on, and I'm going to create a team so that you can see how that would actually work. So you go up here to the top right and click Join or Create Team. So I'm going to click Create Team. Uh, it really, I mean, in terms of what you want to do with it for office hours, I just clicked Other. Class gives you stuff that's more like grades and stuff, which you don't probably really need. So I'm going to click Other, and then I'm just going to call this office hours test. And then this is a test. And I find it easiest to just go ahead and make it public because it's anyone within. So for us, that's anyone within UWM, and you can always alter that later if you need to be able to do that. So then you click Next, and it will create the team. Now you can, if you would like to, go ahead and add all of your students here. That's super time consuming and I didn't even bother with it. So I click skip, and now here is your team. Now, once you create a team, you basically have a shared workspace and they call it a channel. So in case you're wondering what a channel is, this is a channel. So you can say hello. You can also have gifts, which I think is super fun. So I've added a few on mine to make it a little bit more fun to my students, right? So here's some cats because it's the internet. So this is how it would look. And if you have multiple people or somebody other than yourself, really, you can then click on them and you can video call them. Now I can't video call myself because obviously here it is. You can also chat or just be visible on video for the whole channel. And so that would be for everybody by using this menu down here. So I like this because I've had students ask me questions and then I say, hey, we can video chat, and I call them by going over here to calls or by clicking on the icon. So there's multiple ways to do that. So if you go over to calls, you can then, and you'll see that there are students there, you can then type it, you can click make a call and type in the person's name that you want to be there. So it's pretty easy to do and doesn't take a lot of learning. Now, to share this with your students, and I found that this has been the easiest way to do it, is you go over here to this top right-hand side, just click there and click get link to channel. And this is the link that I shared in Canvas with my students so that they then, which makes it way easier for everyone involved. And I've already had a few students log in and ask me questions, so that's been really nice. So that's Teams. I find it very useful for office hours because it means that I can have one place for all of my students in my different classes to come to one place to meet with me for office hours. And it works pretty, I think it'll work pretty nicely because I'll be able, if I'm in video chat with somebody and somebody else messages me, I can say, hey, I'm meeting with somebody, I'll be right with you. So I think it will work very nicely. So that is Teams. I hope that's helpful to folks. Stay strong, be healthy, take care of yourselves, and hopefully we will all make it through these difficult times.